Welcome back to Crypto Horizon, your go-to channel for all things crypto. Today, we're diving into a detailed review of Bybit, one of the leading cryptocurrency exchanges. Plus, we'll show you how to maximize your benefits using the referral code KAKA. Let's get started. Bybit is a robust platform offering a range of trading options, from spot trading to futures. Whether you're new to crypto or an experienced trader, Bybit has features to suit everyone. But first, let's talk about how to get started. Creating an account on Bybit is simple. Head over to their website and click on Sign Up. Enter your email address, set a strong password, and make sure to enter the referral code KAKA for special benefits. After submitting your details, you'll receive a verification email. Click the link in the email to verify your account, and you're all set. To enhance security and unlock more features, complete the verification process by providing a photo ID and a selfie. This will increase your withdrawal limits and allow you to participate in all trading options. Bybit offers a variety of bonuses depending on your deposit and trading activity. For example, by completing specific tasks like KYC verification and making your first deposit, you can earn up to $30,000 in bonuses. These bonuses are provided through Bybit's Rewards Hub, where you can complete various activities to accumulate rewards. Bonuses are tiered, meaning the more you deposit and trade, the larger your potential bonus. For instance, depositing 100 USDT and trading 500 USDT can earn you 10 USDT, while higher deposits and trading volumes can yield even bigger rewards. Bybit offers a variety of trading options, including spot trading, buy and sell cryptocurrencies at current market prices, futures trading, speculate on the future price of cryptocurrencies with leverage up to 100x. Margin trading, borrow funds to trade, which can amplify your gains or losses. The platform is user-friendly with a clean and intuitive interface. They also offer a mobile app for both iOS and Android, allowing you to manage your trades on the go. The app includes all the features of the desktop version, so you can trade anytime, anywhere. Bybit supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including major ones like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP, as well as a variety of altcoins. With numerous trading pairs, you'll have plenty of options to diversify your portfolio and find trading opportunities. Bybit offers competitive trading fees, starting at 0.1% for spot trading. If you hold Bybit's native token, you can get significant discounts on your trading fees. Additionally, using the referral code KAKA can help you unlock special bonuses and reduce trading costs. Depositing and withdrawing funds on Bybit is straightforward. You can deposit cryptocurrencies directly into your Bybit account. For fiat deposits, Bybit supports several payment methods, including credit and debit cards, bank transfers, and e-wallets like Skrill and Advocash. Withdrawal fees are competitive and vary depending on the cryptocurrency. Security is a top priority at Bybit. The platform uses bank-level multi-signature cold storage to protect user funds, along with two-factor authentication, TOFA, and IP monitoring to safeguard your account. Additionally, Bybit offers several user-side security settings, such as anti-phishing, login safety phrases, and trading passwords. These features help ensure that your funds and personal information are secure. Bybit provides robust customer support through various channels, including live chat, email, and a detailed help center. They aim to respond to inquiries promptly, ensuring that traders can get the help they need when they need it. To sum it up, here are some pros and cons of using Bybit. Pros: extensive range of supported cryptocurrencies, competitive trading fees with additional discounts, advanced trading features like margin and futures trading, strong security measures. Cons: not licensed in the US, which may limit some functionalities, mixed user reviews on customer support, and withdrawal issues. Bybit offers a robust trading platform suitable for both beginners and seasoned traders. With a wide range of cryptocurrencies, competitive fees, and strong security measures, it's definitely worth considering. Don't forget to use the referral code KAKA when you sign up to unlock special benefits. So what are you waiting for? Sign up on Bybit today using the referral code KAKA and start your crypto trading journey with a boost. Happy trading, and don't forget to subscribe to Crypto Horizon for more tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.